The naps I took in that bed were phenomenal. That mattress pad is probably too comfortable, to be honest with you. YouTube, it's your girl AK, and we are back with another college advice video. So this channel is a college advice channel. It has college vlogs, freshman tips, stuff like that. So if you're interested in seeing things like that, I recommend you subscribe below and hit the bell icon to get a notification for every time I post. For those of y'all who may not know me, my name is Kennedy, and I am a sophomore into Southeastern University. I just want to say congratulations to becoming accepted into college. Congratulations into this next step in life. Drop down below like what school are you attending, what's your grad year, you know, what concerns do you have, and I really want to go back and talk to you guys and really give y'all good advice. So as you can tell from the title, we are going to be talking about college dorm essentials, things that you probably thought you didn't need that you really need. First things first, you need a mattress pad. Y'all, these dorm beds, they're not comfortable and they're not gonna let you come and switch out your mattress. What they give you is what you get. Please, please, please get a mattress pad for your bed. I love my mattress pad. My mattress pad is so comfortable. Like, the naps I took in that bed were phenomenal. That mattress pad is probably too comfortable, to be honest with you. The second thing that you're gonna need is lighting. You need like some kind of lights in your room. Desk lamp, it could be fairy light. You just need lighting, because sometimes the lighting isn't the best in these dorms. In my dorm, we only had that big spotlight, so if your roommate was trying to sleep and you're late at night trying to study, that's disturbing them. You cut that big light on. The third thing you need is mirrors. Some rooms have like mirrors already, so I would go and like look up your room first to see what they have. You just want to see your outfit sometimes. You want to see how you look. You might want to take a little picture. Another thing, it may not be an essential, mostly for the girls, a vanity mirror. It doesn't have to be them big $300 vanities. I'm not talking about that. No, little small little foldable vanities. You can probably get on Amazon for like $20, $30. You should get yourself a calendar or a whiteboard calendar. College, it's a lot going on. It's so easy to lose track of your days, your assignments, and all of that. You have like all your stuff listed out in one area where you can see it as soon as you wake up. It's amazing because it keeps you on track and you stop yourself from missing assignments that you probably could have got an easy A's on. Okay, so this next couple things is going to be talking about the bathroom. I go to Southeastern University, so I'm going to say this right now. We don't have communal bathrooms. We don't have that. I know some people though who watch this video who do go to schools who have communal bathrooms. First things first, you should get yourself some shower shoes, especially if you go to a school with a communal bathroom. You have no idea what's been going on in that bathroom. You don't know what's on the floor, what kind of bacteria, fungus, none of that. So I recommend that you get yourself some shower shoes and protect your feet, because we don't want no infections. We don't want none of that, okay? Another thing, shower caddies. Especially if you're going to the school or a communal bathroom, you want to have like a little caddy where you can keep all your stuff in there. You don't want to go into the bathroom and end up dropping your stuff on the floor. Like I said, you don't know what's been on that floor. The next things I'm going to talk about is going to be pertaining to laundry. First thing you should get regarding laundry is a laundry basket, but get one with some kind of straps on it. Something where you can carry it on your back, be the one strap, the two strap, or where you can hold it like this. Some kind of strap. For one, your laundry and your dry and all that, that is not gonna be near your room. Like, you're gonna have to take your stuff out and travel to wash your clothes. Some of these dorm rooms, some of these dorm halls actually, they don't have laundry rooms. So there are times where if you're living in a dorm hall that doesn't have a laundry room, you have to travel from one building to the other building just to wash your clothes. Imagine trying to do that with a basket with no handles. Like, no, don't put yourself through that stress. Another thing with the laundry, Tide Pods. Get Tide Pods, okay? You don't want to be walking around with no big detergent through campus, especially if you don't have no laundry in your building. The next things on this list is going to be pertaining to the kitchen. I feel like this is a necessity. I think you need a mini fridge. It sucks to not have something of your own, you know? You have to always rely on what the campus is open and what they have. And I recommend getting one with a freezer part too. I know they're a little bit more expensive, I know, but hear me out. I had a mini fridge without the freezer part, and I wish I had one with a freezer, like, because I like eating Hot Pockets, I like pizza rolls, I like frozen foods that I can warm up in the microwave and eat and enjoy. Second thing you need is a microwave. We are college students. Sometimes we like to eat ramen noodles. Like, okay, we like to eat ramen noodles. And sometimes you want to warm up your little food. Sometimes you want to warm up your leftovers. So it's just nice to have a microwave there, so you can do that when you need to. Next thing you need regarding to the kitchen is Tupperware. Sometimes you want to order food and you may have leftovers that you want to store. If you get yourself some Tupperware, you can easily store it in the Tupperware, stick it in the fridge or whatever, and you can go back and eat it later. I'm not trying to throw away my leftovers. I want to save my leftovers and eat it for later. And the last thing regarding the kitchen is to make sure you get yourself some bowls, some forks, some plates, just stuff where you can eat with, you know, just basic stuff. The next thing you want to get is regarding like sprays and cleaning stuff. So make sure you get yourself some disinfecting wipes. You should always keep your area clean, especially in moving day. You should be doing a lot of cleaning and wiping down. I recommend getting like Windex and stuff like that to clean your mirrors. Just make sure you're keeping your room clean. Another thing is bug spray. Yes, sometimes some critters, they get into your room and we're not trying to be scared at 1 o'clock in the morning because we saw a spider in the corner and we were too scared to kill it. All I told you to get yourself some bug spray. Okay, so when you see that spider crawling in that corner, you ain't gotta hit it with a shoe. You can aim and spray, okay? We're not playing with these bugs this year. Air freshener. Sometimes it gets a little stuffy in there, it gets a little hot. You ate some food and the room just smells like food. You don't want your room to smell like food all day. And sometimes people bomb the bathroom and we're human. If that happens, you got your Febreze or whatever and you can spray it away, I guess. The next things on this list is gonna help you stay organized. I recommend you getting yourself a shoe rack. You don't want your shoes just laying around on the floor. First of all, it's really messy and kind of rude for your roommates to just see your shoes everywhere. You probably put it in your closet somewhere and you can have it all stacked up and you won't have shoes everywhere. Hangers, okay? Some people forget their hangers. I don't know how, but some people forget to bring hangers. You need hangers. The third thing, which is very, very important, under bed storage. Utilize that under bed storage. You have that space there for a reason, okay? So I use like this big little container, but you can probably use like a small container if you want to fit like some small clothes up in there. And the last thing is just like a basic storage container that you can keep like on the side of your bed. Me personally, I like having a nightstand. I grew up using a nightstand, so I use my little side bed storage as a nightstand and it's like regular drawers. And I find myself putting like a lot of miscellaneous stuff or like hair stuff in there. Try to find the most purpose if you can with the stuff you already have in your room, but if not, you may have to invest into getting some containers, which is completely fine. All right, now we're gonna be talking about tech things that you need for your room. First things first, you need a laptop. Like I know some people say you got a computer lab, you got the library, but in all honesty, I feel like you still need a laptop just to have something of your own whenever you need to do like research real quick, or let's say you have like a group project you need to go to and you need to travel around a lot. A laptop is the best way to go. I know everybody can't afford a laptop. The library does have hours where you can go in and get your assignments done, but if you can get a laptop, I highly recommend investing into a laptop. The second thing is to get noise canceling headphones. Me personally, I use my AirPods because I just like my AirPods. But sometimes you want to be in an area where you want to study, you want to do your own thing, you might be in the library and you might want to listen to music while you're doing some math problems. I just need like white noise in the background when I'm working or whatever, and you may want to listen to music and let's say your roommate is studying, she likes the quiet, fine, put in your headphones and keep going. The third thing is to get a Bluetooth speaker. Now you might say, Autumn, that's not an essential. It's probably not an essential, but to me, I feel like it's something you might want though. You might feel like you really need it, especially if you're like a kind of person that likes to have company up in your dorm. Let's say y'all are chilling, having a little game night, and you want to have some music in the background just for a little background noise. I feel like it really sets the vibe in the room, and I'm just a person, I love music. I need music playing in the background. I can't go too long with complete silence because that starts to drive me a little crazy. You don't have to have your speaker like blasted. Remember, you still have people in dorms beside you. They may not want to hear it, so just be mindful when you are using your Bluetooth speaker. The next thing is to remember to bring extension cord. You only have a few outlets that you can use, so I recommend bringing extension cord, power surges where you can like have extra plugs. And the last thing I recommend is to bring some sort of entertainment. For the times that we're not studying and we want to chill in our room, it's on a TV, or you can get a Fire Stick. Personally, I use my PlayStation. I was using a smart TV, but then it broke. It's a different story. You're gonna be bored sometimes. Sometimes you want to watch your shows, your YouTube or whatever. you know, you want to watch your girl on YouTube sometimes.
No.
And now we're down to our miscellaneous things, our last things on the list. I recommend that you bring a reusable water bottle. And the reason why I recommend this is because sometimes you may not have water bottles in your room, and buying constant water bottles can be really expensive. If you have that reusable water bottle, you can go to the water fountain down the hall and refill it anytime you need it, and it's just good to have. You could bring it to class, you could bring it to your workout. It also saves on the consumptions or the uses of plastic water bottles. This next thing, a lot of people tend to forget, but you need to bring some medicine. You need to bring Tylenol, Advil, whatever you use, your allergy medicine, whatever you need. Bring it, because you need that stuff. Just because you're in college doesn't mean you don't need it no more. Also, a lot of people forget to bring first aid kits. I recommend you bring some kind of like aid, because you never know what could happen while you're in college. And the last and final thing on this list for college dorm essentials, probably one of the most important things on this list, is to bring snacks, water, food. You do not want to depend on the caf hours, I promise. Especially if you go to Southeastern. Please, please, please don't depend on these caf hours. Y'all, the hours are so weird sometimes. Like, the fast food places, they're closed on the weekends. On the weekends, you're only gonna have the caf, and sometimes you don't want to eat that caf food. And then on the weekends, the caf closes around 6 or 7. Like, that's not cool. We get hungry past 6 or 7, okay? We want to eat past, I know it's not good for you, but sometimes we're hungry and we want to eat past 6 or 7. So put some snacks in your room, keep some water. I can't tell you how many times I was dehydrated in college for no reason. Just some kind of food to where you're not depending on that, because there were days I was hungry. Okay, I was hungry. Sometimes I order DoorDash, but DoorDash is expensive, especially with the fees. Like, I'm not trying to pay all that. Do yourself a favor. Get yourself some snacks, water, and food, please. Alright, y'all, well, that's all my tips for college dorm essentials. I hope this really helped y'all out. I really just want to see y'all thrive throughout college. If there's anything else that's concerning y'all or anything else you want me to make a video on, comment down below. I will read and respond to the comment. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, and if you are already subscribed, make sure you hit that bell icon, because it lets you know every time your girl posts. I hope y'all have an amazing first year in college. I wish y'all the best of luck. I hope my tips really helped y'all, and that's it. Bye.